Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love bite for you today. These are general collective readings, Aquarius, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, welcome back. All my subscribers, thank you for being here again, once again with me. And Aquarius, if you're new here, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, the cards on the table right now is the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Knight of Wands upright, the World upright, the Knight of Cups, the Two of Swords, Ace of Swords, the Temperance card, Five of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. Alright, so bottom of my deck I have the Queen of Pentacles as my overall energy. So let's see what's happening here. There is some choice. Somebody doesn't want to make a choice. Somebody doesn't want to make a decision, or it's a very difficult decision to make. So they've kind of closed themselves off. But there is somebody who wants to talk now. Maybe things are a bit stuck between the two of you, Aquarius, right now, because somebody was very immature. Somebody almost thought of kind of shutting this chapter down with this immature person. But there is somebody who's wanting to come and talk, maybe heal the situation. Now they're feeling a bit abandoned, left out in the cold. Let's see, Aquarius, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then I'll clarify these cards for you. But the overall energy is a decision which is not yet made. Okay? A very, very big decision. Somebody pulled in two different directions as to what to do. And this could be this Queen of Pentacles, a loving, kind, nurturing, beautiful person who is very self-sufficient. So they kind of may be deciding between what to do with this person. All right. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Aquarius, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius and their person spirit. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person spirit. Aquarius, thank you. I'm going to take two more from here, Aquarius. Aquarius and their person, thank you. All right, good to go, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I can tell when you're speaking from your ego or higher self. Although I love your soul, I must admit I don't like your ego. I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with the karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. I don't understand why you hide your feelings from me, and whenever you do open up, you run and hide. When you do get in touch, you act as if nothing has happened and give me little to no explanation of why you just vanished. This behavior makes me feel so unappreciated and not valued by you. You say that I'm your divine true love and that I'm always on your mind. I don't understand how you could have then ghosted, ignored, or even blocked me so much over the years. There are times when you've denied my existence, so much that I feel the pain might only end if I no longer existed. So this is a Queen of Pentacles dealing with a Knight. No wonder there's a unequal balance here. I want to welcome you into my family. You're half of my soul family. I want us to have our own family together. I love you not only for your beauty, but also for your soul. Our love will be alive forever because of the way you are. Pure, true, authentic, real, raw, and passionate. That's what a Queen of Pentacles is. The thought of being with you one day is what gets me through today. I wish that you were here or I was there. I wish we were together anywhere. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. Alright, Aquarius, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this reading. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius, my angels. Commitment. Now, you would know what this card means for you according to the book. Normally, of course, that this is a committed relationship, but this could also be committing to yourself. The first commitment anyone has should be to themselves. I think this Queen of Pentacles is recognizing that. That my first, I have to take care of myself and not expect somebody else's behavior to make me worthy or feel unworthy. Okay, all right. So, Spirit, why is the Wheel of Fortune in reverse for Aquarius? For this connection, why is the Wheel of Fortune in reverse? Somebody said something. Maybe there was a bit of blocking going on between the two of you right now. Maybe there's it's an emotional time in this connection. I don't know. Maybe somebody was keeping secrets. There is a bit of hesitancy or a bit of blocking or pushing out energy because of either fear or, I don't know, could be somebody hiding their true feelings. Knight of Wands, Spirit. Somebody's done, I think. I think somebody's been through a lot of anxiety, stress, not sleeping well at night, but really, really wanting to be over all that now. Enough is enough. I can't deal with an immature energy in my life. Somebody who's never taking responsibility, somebody who's always inconsistent in my life, somebody who's, this is more like a situationship than a relationship. So somebody says, I'm done playing, I'm done, waiting around for somebody else to commit to me or, show me that respect, or it's time for me to commit to myself. I don't want to be bound and chained anymore to expectations from somebody who's never going to deliver. So the World, Spirit, what's this World? What's this World card? One more. I think the other person is now is realizing that this chapter is shutting down. Whoever this Knight of Wands is realizing that they could be on the verge of losing a commitment, because I think certain things have been said now, certain things have been revealed now. They are quite embarrassed, they're quite ashamed of their own actions. I think they are trying to now become strong and come forward and maybe offer some emotions to kind of get their person back. Knight of Cups, yes, this person is now feeling rejected, is feeling that they're going to be left behind, or they're going to be lonely, and they feel it could lead to maybe a divorce or something. Now this person is feeling quite shaken and quite depressed. Yes, they feel none of their manifestations are going to come true. Maybe earlier they were being a bit of a trickster or something. They don't want their person to leave. They want to delay this. Yes, they don't want to be left out in the cold. They are blocking, they're trying to block this from happening, it seems. Two of Swords. Two of Swords. They don't want their person to get away. They don't want their person to get away because that means their future gets a little bit of in jeopardy. Their future is gone if their person escapes them or runs away or leaves them. They don't want this decision to be made. Ace of Swords, Spirit. Ace of Swords. Sorry, Ace of Wands. I think this person is almost like not wanting to see the truth. They don't want to see their truth of what their partner is probably trying to tell them. They don't see that things are not working out. Maybe their partner is wanting to move on. All they want is, I want to heal this connection because I'm feeling left out in the cold, and they want to communicate that. That's it. Temperance card, Spirit. Temperance. Temperance. They don't want this choice to be made. They don't want this choice to be made. They want to hold on. They want to hang on. They are doing everything in their possible in their capacity to make sure that yes, this heartbreak can be healed now. They just want things to come back into balance. Why? Because Five of Pentacles. They feel this will be a very immature move that their person would make if they went off for a fresh new beginning elsewhere. The main part is that they feel that, even though they know that their partner's wishes may come true, they feel that they'll be left behind or they'll be left out in the cold. They do have a lot of love for this queen, and now they want to show up, or they want to grow up or man up or woman up or something, where they want to portray that I can take care of you, I can be that perfect partner. They want to have this communication. They want to put things right now, by hook or by crook. Yes, this person has been thinking about this for a very long time. Aquarius, they've been in hermit mode. They've been thinking, they've been contemplating, and they are not happy that this Queen of Cups could be planning something for themselves. They are on their way to have this communication. They want to talk to this Queen of Pentacles, and one way or the other, I don't know what promises they're going to make now, but they want to hold on to not having change in their life. King of Swords, say something to us. What do you want to say to us? They don't want to lose their Empress. They don't want to lose their Empress. They are now willing to have an equal give and take. They want to make their decision. If they've been always in limbo or never moving, now they want to now take action. This person is ready. They now want to be in their king energy. But I'm still a little, because this card is here. This is the Five of Swords. This is like somebody by hook or by crook trying to one up the person. What is this Five of Swords, Spirit? What do they intend to do? Why do they intend to do this? They want to block somebody. They want to block somebody. Yes, the Queen of Pentacles is here again. They want to, by hook or by crook, try and block somebody. It could be this Queen of Pentacles, because they're realizing if otherwise, then they lose their chance, or they'll be judged, or they will have nothing to look forward to, or something like that. I don't know what this is pertaining. Aquarius, let me know in the comments what you're going through. But somebody does want to now be the person that this Queen of Pentacles always wanted. But the reasons, you would know. All right. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.